Hello. NAKIVO Backup and Replication supports a wide range of platforms for installation, including direct deployment on NAS devices. If you are working with Nutanix AHV VMs, you can also deploy the solution directly in your virtual environment. Today's video shows how you can install NAKIVO Backup and Replication as a Nutanix AHV virtual appliance. To download NAKIVO Backup and Replication, you can go to the free trial download page on the NAKIVO website linked under this video. After filling out the form, you will be taken to the Installers page where you can download a VMDK file for a Nutanix virtual appliance. I've already downloaded the full solution package for NAKIVO Backup and Replication Virtual Appliance version 11.0.3. Once you've downloaded the package, open the Nutanix Prism web interface and start configuration using the settings icon or click VM then Settings. Click Image Configuration and then Upload Image to upload the downloaded VMDK file. In the Create Image window, enter a name for the image, for example, NAKIVO VAV 11.0.3. Optionally, you can add an annotation or keep this field empty. Select Disk as image type. Select a storage container. I select the default one. You can also create another one. In the image source section, select Upload a file and click Choose File to select the downloaded VMDK file and upload this file. Click Open and then Save. You can see Received Operation to create Image NAKIVO Virtual Appliance version 11. The state is saving. Wait until the file is uploaded. The NAKIVO Virtual Appliance version 11.0.3 has been uploaded successfully. The disk state is active and the disk size is 100 gigabytes. Now open the Prism menu and select VM to create a new virtual machine. Specify a name for the virtual machine, for example, NAKIVO Nutanix Virtual Appliance 11.0.3. In the description field, enter NAKIVO Backup and Replication. You can keep the time zone as it is. The minimum for virtual CPUs is one with 2 cores. 4 gigabytes of memory is the required minimum. You should add 250 megabytes for each new NAKIVO task. We need to add a virtual hard disk. The disk type is disk. The operation is cloned from image service. The bus type is SCSI. Select the Nutanix image previously uploaded and click Add. We need to create a network card. We select the existing subnet name and the network connection state is connected. Click Add and then click Save. You can see Received Operation to create VM NAKIVO Nutanix VA 11.0.3. The operation is in progress now. You can check the progress in the Recent Tasks bar. The Virtual Appliance version 11.0.3 has been created successfully, and we can power on the virtual machine. VM starting is in progress. The NAKIVO Virtual Appliance has been started successfully, and under Summary, you can see the virtual network card of this appliance. The IP address is 10.170.193.59. Now we can open the page in a web browser adding 4443. Click Advanced, then proceed to this IP address when the warning is displayed. When you start the NAKIVO virtual appliance for the first time, you need to create a local account. Enter a name, username, email address, and your password. You can check Remember Me. Click Create Account. Now you can start configuring the NAKIVO virtual appliance in a web interface. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch new uploads. You can also download a free trial version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication using the link in the description and try the solution in your own environment for 15 days.